Selphic S1 Portable Printers. Normally printers will be in large size. But this printer is small in size and easy to carry and can print in any surface in any angle easily. Color print can also be done in this printer. Alfawise Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you want to buy a vacuum cleaner, this will be a better option because for cleaning it is an intelligent robot because it is made with advanced algorithm to clean in a systematic way. If you see about the features, it first scans the place and completes cleaning in a systematic way from one end to another easily. As it has many sensors, it prevents from dashing the wall and cleans the rest of the area. If the power gets low, it automatically reaches to the charging dock. Walkabout. Though there may be pipes, wires behind the walls. Sometimes we could not drill the wall or we drill wrongly. If we drill wrongly, wires may get cut. To prevent it, use this intelligent gadget to scan the wall before drilling. This gadget is like you can connect it with your mobile and scan the wall. It is perfect in scanning and show lively in your mobile and prevent from leakage or wires getting cut. JBL Pulse 4. If you want a speaker, try this portable speaker as it has a good sound quality, and if you see about its look, it has LED lights in the front section with multicolor RGB lights. You can customize the lights through JBL Connect app. The lights can react according to the theme of the music. The speaker is waterproof and colorful.